In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a front CV shaft in a 2015 Ford Escape. This video will also work for a 2013 through a 2019. First thing you're going to want to do is raise the vehicle up. Then remove the lug nuts. These are a 19mm. Then we're going to be removing the brake caliper. These are an 18mm. Then unplug the ABS wire by pushing in this clip and pulling on it. Then hang the brake caliper up out of the way. Now remove your brake rotor. Then remove this lower bolt that holds the lower ball joint in place. The bolt is a 15mm and the nut is an 18mm. Then remove this lower strut bolt. This is a 15mm. Now remove the spindle nut. This is a 32mm. Now check to make sure your CV axle moves freely. Take the tie rod stud off. This is a 15mm. Now use a long pry bar to pull down the lower control arm to get the lower ball joint out. Now use a hammer and tap on the upper steering knuckle to remove it from the strut. Now you can remove the knuckle assembly from the car. So if you have two people, have one person pulling on the CV axle and the other one prying on the inside here, and it should pop right out. Here's the part number for the CV axle. I also have a video on replacing the wheel bearing. You can check that out here. Now to reinstall the CV axle, all you have to do is put it back up in place, push on it with one hand, and use the other hand to tap on the end with the rubber mallet. And now we can reinstall the steering knuckle back onto the vehicle. Start by installing the steering knuckle back up onto the strut. Use a long chisel and just hit on it here until it goes back up in place. It's hard to see, but on the back side there's this little notch that the strut will go into the steering knuckle. Take it all the way up until it bottoms out. Then install your bolt and tighten it up. This is torqued to 59 foot-pounds, then 180 degrees. Then get your CV axle through and get your bottom ball joint back in. You might need to use a pry bar again to hold the control arm down to get it in place. Then put your bolt for your ball joint back in. This is torqued to 61 foot-pounds. Then reinstall this dust shield. Put your tie rod back in. You can torque this to 35 foot-pounds. Then plug your ABS sensor back in. Put your brake rotor back on. Then reinstall your brake caliper. Torque these bolts to 129 foot-pounds. Then you can put your spindle nut back on. This is torqued to 59 foot-pounds, then an additional 90 degrees. Then you can put your wheel back on. Torque your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this that saves you time so you can get more done.